Hi, I'm Kelly at Beanstack. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to easily identify non-participating students and help everyone become a reading superstar. First, you'll want to log in and make sure you're in the admin view of your school's Beanstack site. Once you're in, head over to the Quick Action tabs on the right-hand side and click on Reports. From here, select Participation, and then look for the Individual Student Participation and Top Readers by Challenge report. This report offers valuable insight into who is actively participating in a specific challenge, and a good one to favorite by clicking on the star icon. Now, choose your challenge from the drop-down menu. Click on that handy gear icon in the corner to customize your columns. Make sure your challenge's logging type, like logged minutes, is included. Then click Create Report. Next, click on the download icon in the upper right corner and download Excel. When your download is ready, this box will turn blue. Open that downloaded file in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Now for a crucial step. Sort by minutes logged or your primary log type. You're going to sort from least to greatest. This will bring all of your non-participating readers, those with zero logged activity, right to the top. You're now a pro at identifying and engaging all your readers. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to check out our other Betty Learning Lab videos and keep reading.